Welcome to the Artful Minds by the Atelier Magazine, where we plug into the pulse of creation.
Hello everyone. Today we have Jyotsna with us, a passionate second-year student filmmaker from Usha Praveen Gandhi College with a keen interest in acting, photography. She has explored various aspects of filmmaking, both behind and in front of the camera. Jyotsna has also contributed to impactful documentaries like Generation Alpha and Female Pleasure, shedding light to technology and social taboos. Hi Jyotsna, would you like to tell us about yourself?
Hi Dhania, my name is Jyotsna and I'm an aspiring filmmaker. I have done acting and my hobby is photography, and I have done many short films. I have also assisted in many documentary, as you have suggested the names Generation Alpha and Female Sexuality.
Okay, that's great to hear. So I just wanted to ask, working on sensitive topics like technology's influence on children and female sexuality must have been eye-opening. What personal biases or assumptions did you find yourself questioning through these projects?
See, like in Generational Alpha, we used to see like the childrens were always on their phone, but it is because of the adult, because they give their phones. माँ बाप ही अपने बच्चों को फ़ोन दे देते हैं, जिस वजह से काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स आते थे. तो हम जहाँ पे बच्चों को ही समझते थे कि वो गलत है, it's not always the children, it's sometimes the parents, and they have to keep some boundaries. So there I got some various topics and taboos and issues related to Generation Alpha. And in the female sexuality, there were so many myths and taboos regarding every female had there in our mind, and it was really like something which was unique. And I didn't knew कि अभी भी इंडिया या अभी भी लोगों को ये सब पता नहीं है. ऑल तो एजुकेशन सब इतना सब आगे बढ़ गया है, तो भी देर आर सम प्लेसेस जहाँ पे अभी भी इट इज़ अ टैबू, इट इज़ लाइक यू शुड नॉट स्पीक अबाउट इट. सो या.
Yes, that's different in different parts of India, I guess. And you have experienced both acting and filmmaking. How does embodying a character influence your perspective when directing or shooting a scene?
See, whenever a actor is acting now, majority of the actors are said to assist under a director, because when you understand the point of the direction now, it is way easier to portray on the screen. You have seen many actors like Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, they have been working under major directors. That's why they are able to portray the character. And I would also suggest assisting a director would be better to understand the concepts and the character much better.
Okay, that's good to hear. And documentary filming often requires capturing raw and unfiltered moments. How do you balance storytelling with authenticity, especially when dealing with sensitive subjects?
See, whenever we are shooting a documentary now, you can't write the storyline or the script beforehand. You have to actually first take the interviews, and then you can build the narrative while editing or while seeing the footages. That the interview itself gives you the story. So it keeps the authenticity and the rawness of the interviews and the documentary.
Okay, that's nice. And what one word would it be to describe filmmaking style?
Reflective.
Reflective. Okay. So, and I have some rapid fire questions for you. Acting or directing?
Acting.
And may I ask why?
Acting, because it helps me to express myself. I can express my heart, and I really like acting. I like to be on screen.
Yes, art is all about expressing yourself.
Yeah.
And black and white or photography or color?
To be honest, I like color because it shows the vibrant themes of the photo and everything. Even black and white is good, but I would go for color.
Okay. Documentaries or feature films?
Documentary, because it shows the authenticity and the reality of today's thoughts, facts, and whatever is happening around us, especially crime documentaries.
Yes, I agree. Can you tell me a filmmaker who inspires you?
Rajkumar Hirani and Anurag Kashyap.
Anurag Kashyap, yes. Can you tell me one of your favorite movies?
One of his famous movies were like Gangs of Wasseypur.
Yes, yes. Okay. And can you tell me what was the most challenging shot you have done?
Challenging shot. Okay.
Yes.
So while we were filming this female pleasure, we had a lot of challenges while taking the footages of women's, because they were not ready to speak, and we had to take the footages of normal people. It wasn't
Okay.
you have to like be. I can't say someone to act in it. I have to go ahead and tell them about the concept, and then they have to speak. So there were times where women's were offended. Their husbands had come and they had just started troubling us, and they said, "We will just break your camera, we will take your mics and all." So yeah, it was a huge problem created at that time.
Okay. It must have been really challenging.
Yeah, that was really challenging. I remember that scene.
Okay. And if you could act in any historical film, what would it be?
Bajirao Mastani.
Bajirao Mastani. Yes. Okay. That's a really nice movie.
Yeah.
And may I ask, what's your go-to equipment for photography?
To be honest, I have not shot any photographs on DSLR or Canon. I use my own phone only, and I guess that's the best for me.
Okay. And what would be your dream location to shoot a film?
Northeast, anywhere in Northeast, Sikkim, Meghalaya, anywhere.
It's beautiful there.
It's amazing.
And what's one film you wish you had directed?
Actually, I wouldn't say it is a film. I would say it is a web series. C.A. Tribhuvan Mishra.
Okay. And why?
Because it was a story of a middle class man and he was the main hero. But हाँ हमने हमेशा देखा है कि हीरो हमेशा स्ट्रॉन्ग रहता है, बोल्ड रहता है, एंड ही इज वेरी करेजियस. बट हियर द हीरो वाज एक्चुअली स्कैर्ड ऑफ थिंग्स, एंड एक्चुअली में लोग ऑफ कोर्स इतने करेजियस नहीं होते, कभी कदार होता है लाइफ में जहाँ वो डर जाते हैं. एंड द विलन वाज शोन एज अ हलवाई. वी ऑलवेज सी who is like a gunda or some, you know, a politician or something, but here he was shown as a halwai. So that was a very, you know, एक ग्रे कॉमेडी को भी ना वो लोगों ने बहुत ही अच्छे से दिखाया था, and there was no vulgarity, and I really liked it. Even the action scene, there was nothing as like, you know, the cars were flying in the air or something like you're hitting each other. The action scenes actually had a charm, so I really loved it.
It was more realistic.
Yeah, it was more realistic. A middle class man could also fight like that. It showed the reality.
Okay. And in the end, what would you like to say to other actors and filmmakers about your own experience?
I would just say follow your passion, follow your dreams, and never give up. Rejections तो आते रहेंगे, तुम करते जाओ, बस और क्या.
Okay, thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, Tanya.
Okay.